We covered now which concept now? We covered provident fund. We have covered gratuity. We have covered pension. We have covered pension. We have. I hope you remember this about commuted and uncommuted. Yes or no? All of you. Hmm? All right. After that, what have we covered? Gratuity is done, pension is done, and now we have also covered leave salary, है ना? 10 double A, that also we have covered. Leave salary, leave encashment, right, Ilya? All right. So there was one question for homework. 71. Did you try, all of you?
Recording in progress.
Okay. He already has answer. Who? Indrajit already has answer. Okay. Give me your answer, bacho. Question number 71. What are you giving me? Calculate taxable leave encashment, है ना? Taxable leave encashment. Taxable amount. Taxable amount. Taxable amount. All of you answer. Okay, Mansi. Okay, Indrajit. Others? Khushbu. Nitin. At least others also should answer so I'll understand. To solve or not to solve, or what is the case? I think half of it I had already discussed it with you. Question number 71. Type quickly, Nitin, Khushbu. Solve. If not solved, let me know not solved. Tell something, na, but. हाँ ठीक है, not solved, ठीक है. ठीक है. Let's quickly do this because again I'm getting different answers from remaining of them. So I'll have to discuss. Mansi, your answer is correct. Question number 17. Ready, everybody? See what is asked. Find out taxable leave encashment. Answer is in 3 lines. Received, exempt, therefore taxable. Correct, Ilya? So I'm writing a little bit in short. I'm not writing all the theory part. Particulars. Received. How much received? 2,50,000. Correct, Ilya? Less. Exempt under section 1010 double A. Correct, everybody? Leave encashment, no? 1010 double A. Working note 1. Whatever that amount will come to. So remaining will be taxable leave encashment. Fine, Ilya? Then working note 1. Now again, if I talk about leave encashment, least of the following is exempt. So again, we know, bacho, 4 amounts are exempt. Statutory limit is how much? 3 lakhs now. Yes, everybody. Second is actually received. Then third is last 10 months salary. Salary for that purpose is what? HRA. Hai na? And fourth one is what? That credit balance remaining of the leaves divided by 30. You will get into your number of months. And that multiplied with average salary of last 10 months. Yes, Celia? Fine. So let's start. So first we'll require salary for this purpose. Basic plus DA forming part of retirement plus commission as a fixed percentage of turnover. Yes, tell all of you. Yes. Now when did he retire? Indrajit, that is correct. He retired on 1st February 23 and his last salary was 18,000. But that also was from July, correct, Ilya? Till February. Hai na? So I'm writing a last 10 months. That is from which month to at least, but what we know is Feb 23. No. He retired on 1st February. Correct, Ilya? So I will not take February salary as such to be correct as such. I'll take only Jan, है ना? Correct, no? Jan 23. Correct, Ilya? Yes, correct, Indrajit. So 1 month is here. So 9 months I want from what? 9 months I want. That means what? How many months? From April? Correct, no? April 22. Okay? To Jan. Yes, still everybody? 3 months gone, na? From 12. So April to December is 9 months. See, April to September 6 months or no? Again, add 3 months over there. October, November, December. So 6 plus 3, 9. 9 months done over there. And then 1 month of Jan 23. Correct, Ilya? Fine. His salary was increased from which date? From July. So earlier it was how much? 15,000. Okay. So from July, bachcho, it is 18,000. So April, May, June, 3 months, it's 15,000 or no? Tell me, everybody. Are hi ya na? Everybody. Understood or no? And then 18,000 is for next 7 months. I'll directly take your balance of 7 months. Simple. This comes to how much? Tell me. 171. Is it right? Correct. Fantastic. Kushbu Nitin, I hope this is okay. So obviously I'm going to write down what therefore average last 10 months salary is rupees 171,000 divided by 10 months is rupees 17,100. This is average of my last 10 months salary. I got that figure also. Which one? Last 10 months salary I got average also. So my two works are done over here. Correct, Ilya? Okay. How many years has he spent working? Is it given? Exactly 26 years? No problem. Okay. So I'm just writing here for time pass. Ready? Number of years of service. 26 years. Finally, all of you. Third. Leaves earned. Okay, leaves earned I'm saying. Check here. It was 60 days per year. Are hi na? 60 days per year. How much will you take for calculation? 30 days per year. I hope this is clear to you. Okay, clear? Into how many years, bacho? 26 years. I think we have already discussed this, no? This comes to what you have told me, I think 720 days something. Huh? Tell me. 780 days. Okay, 780 days. Fine. Leaves earned. Correct, Ilya? Less. Leaves availed or utilized basically. Leaves availed. Check 20 months. So normally you take what for a month, we're going to take 30 days. Is it okay, everybody? That is my 600 days. Is it 180 days or no? Yes, Ilya, 180 days. Number of days of leave balance, है ना? Correct, Ilya? Now they are in a way, but also giving you something. Leave at the credit of X at the time of retirement, 32 months. Check, but you do 32 into 30. Does it come to same thing? 32 into 30. Does it come to 180 days? Tell me. No. So as per their calculation, it is 960 they are saying. Will you take but that much? No. We'll take only bacho 180 days. Clear till here, all of you? Fine, everybody? Because because he was given double na bachcho. Every year he was given how much? 60 days he was given, hai na? If you double this, check this 780 into 2. And then minus leaves avail 600. Does it come to 960? 32 months. This will be what you are 32 months. Hai na? So divided by 30 if I do, this will be exactly 32 months. Anyways, don't get confused in that. Forget it. You focus here, okay? Whatever is given or whatever the way we can calculate. So basically now I know my number of days leave balance is 180 days. Clear till here? Fine. Let's start. So point number 4. Exempt least of the following. Indrajit, did you get the same answer? First, statutory limit 3 lakhs, no? Then actually received. Actually received 2,50,000. Then third, last 10 months salary. It was 1,71,000, right? And fourth, leave balance I'm writing directly now. 180 I have already calculated now. So 180, remember that, divided by number of months, 30. And into average salary is 17,100. Is it okay, everybody? Give me this figure. Very good, Mansi. 1,02,600. What happened in the where? Achha, you got it correct, no? So I'll reduce that 1,02,600 as exemption. So taxable will be 147,400. Yes, still here? Yes, Indrajit, correct. All of you okay till here? Nitin, Kushbu. This small note I'll write on your note. Even if leaves allowed are more than 30 days per year, we limit up to 30 days per year, okay? Done, all of you? Question number 24, 24. Ready? Question number 24. Chalo, question number 24. Ready, everybody? Mr. X retired from service of Y Limited on 31st Jan 23 after completing 30 years and 1 month. So again, rounding off is not an issue at all. 30 years. He received the following on his retirement. Gratuity 6 lakhs. He was covered under PGA, Payment of Gratuity Act. Already here. Then leave encashment of 330 for 330 days leave balance in his account. He was credited 30 days leave for each completed year of service. So basically here they have not given you remaining time pass. Then how many days in a year, then how many leaves he has taken and all of that. They have clearly given to you. He was allowed 30 days per year. So as per all of that calculation, balance is coming to 330 days. So this figure is ready-made available to you. No problem over here. Alright everybody? We can use that figure. Alright all of you? Then next one is what? As per the scheme of company, he was offered a car on retirement which was purchased on 1 to 18 by company. Okay. For rupees 5 lakhs. Company recovered 2 lakhs from him for the car. The company depreciates vehicle at rate of 15% on straight line basis. Okay. The company, how the company does depreciation, that is also given to you. Which case is this? Which case is this, bacho? I hope this is clear to you. This is perquisite or not, everybody? Yes, it is transfer of movable asset. It is transfer of movable asset. Alright, great. Okay. Then an amount of 3 lakhs as commutation of pension for 2/3 of his pension. He has commuted on retirement day itself. Okay. He has commuted how much? 2/3. And he got 3 lakhs for that. Company presented him a gift voucher worth rupees 6,000 on his retirement. His colleagues you understand, na? His colleagues also gifted him TV worth 50,000 from their own contribution and other details. He was drawing basic salary 20,000 and 50% DA per month for the period from 1/4/22 to 31st March 23, na? Because he retired on Jan end. He received a pension of rupees 5,000 per month from 1 to 22. Sorry, 23, na? Till 31st March 23. Underline the word after commutation of pension. Yes, Arun, tell me. After commutation of pension. Compute gross total income for the above AY for AY 23-24. Ready, everybody? So you can expect this kind of question. It is a merger and mixture of couple of questions, okay? Couple of concepts, 71, 72 as well as 17, 3. So if a question is asked on this chapter entirely, then you can expect such kind of questions. Ready, everybody? What is asked? Taxable, sorry, not just taxable. Gross total income. Okay, all of you, let's start. Chalo. Question number 24. Computation of. For AY 23-24. Ready? Particulars rupees. Yes, Arun. Uncommuted pension, that is regular pension, is fully taxable for all the types of employee, government as well as non-government. However, if the pension is commuted, means what? Taking a lump sum. Then for government employees, it is exempt. For others, it is fully exempt for government employees. Others, you have to do how much? 1/3 or 1/2 as exemption. I've covered it in the yesterday's lecture. You can watch that. Ready, everybody? So let's start. So first here I'm writing which income from salaries. Just I'm writing only that much because they've asked you GTI, gross total income. So there can be a couple of, let us say, heads of income, if possible. So that's why I'm writing the first head of income from salaries. Okay. Now under that first part. Salary under section 17(1). Do you have basic? Are he retired on 31st Jan? No. So till from April to January he'll have regular salary? No. Yes? So basic salary. How much was he getting? 20,000. In 10 months, right everybody? 2 lakhs. He was also getting DA. DA is fully taxable or no? Tell me quickly. Everybody. Yes, DA is fully taxable. Always keep that in mind. So 50% of 2 lakhs. Any allowances given in the question? Allowance? Any other allowances? Bonus, commission, which may go under 17.1? No. Voucher will be also be perquisite. TV, pension. Pension is there, no, bacho? But it will go. We will take it under 17.3 salary, right, everybody? अरे हाँ तो 17.1 salary बच्चों we have 3 lakhs. At your level, even if you mix a little bit, 17.1, 17.2 is okay. Okay, you don't have to be absolutely that correct. That is fine because as it is, everything is getting taxable in salaries only. Okay, ready? Second part under that. Salary under section 17.2. अरे हाँ everybody. Salary under section 17.2. That is perquisites. That is what बच्चों perquisites है ना. Gratuity, leave encashment, offer, car. So first part in that is what? Use of car or transfer of car. Which case is that? It is बच्चों transfer of car. Yes, चलिए it is बच्चों what? Transfer of car. Transfer of car. What is the value of perquisite? The WDV is the value of perquisite minus anything recovered from the employee. Do you remember that? अरे हाँ. That also बच्चों for what? For each completed year of use है ना? For each completed year of use. I think I'll have to change the years. Just a minute. Huh? Just a minute. Hold on. I think they have done changes over here. Correct. Take it just a minute, but make a change of date over here. 10th February, make it 2020. I made a small change over here. Okay, everybody? Make it 10th February 2020. Okay? Chalega? When did company buy the car? On 10th February 2020. Okay, everybody? Let's go ahead. No, to avoid some confusion, I'm making those changes because even in your study material, the dates are different. Okay? So I don't want you to get confused unnecessarily. Chalo. Now, in that case, give me WDV. Just give me WDV, okay? As per your perquisite rule. I have given it different dates now, okay? It is 10 February 2020. The car was purchased for how much? 5 lakhs. Yes. Give me WDV, bacho. WDV, okay. the question is, what is the rate of depreciation you will use? All of you. Okay, correct. सही है. I got all the numbers. 10%, 15%, 20%. Fantastic. They will give you anything bachcho here in the question. Why do you change the law? You don't have any right to change the law, isn't it? So what does the law say? What does the rule say? You have to go back in the transfer of movable assets rule. It is motor car, Indrajit. For motor car we have a different rule or no? Only motor car is different, remaining what 10% SLM? What it was? Check. Motor car is 20%. Motor car is 20% WDV. It does not matter what they give you in question. The company will do depreciation anyhow. The company will give 100% depreciation. They will do anything in their books of account. We are not bothered with that. What you have to follow is rule 378. 20% WDV for each completed year of use. Understood? Everybody tell me. Don't just blindly follow what they are given in the question, no? And whenever in doubt, always give notes and give this clarification that even if company is depreciating at, it'll do anything. It is a company, no? I think correct, no? It will depreciate, but as per company that whatever schedule is given for depreciation. We'll see in fact in the next chapter also PGBP. So company that or whatever, that is not important. Okay? As per income tax you have to see. And currently for purpose you have to do so we have to see as per the rules. Okay? So write down. Now, the second question is what was the purchase date I have given you now? 10th February 2020, है ना? So for how many years you will do the depreciation? Huh? 2 years, na? When was it transferred? Check here, 31st March 23. That is the transfer date. When was this purchased? 10th Feb now done, 2020. So 21 and 22. Because bachcho 23rd 2023 February has not yet completed fully. So depreciation for 2 years. Are हाँ. Okay. So therefore WDV. I'm writing here WDV. Rupees 5 lakhs minus 20% for 2 years depreciation. Okay. Tell me this figure. 320. Okay, 320. No problem. Less what बच्चों? Recovered from amount recovered from employee. है ना? How much did he pay for that car? 2 lakhs. Fine till here? So his per is of 1,20,000. This one is okay now, Khushbu, Nitin? B. Any other benefit he has? Yes, gift voucher. Next one, bachcho. Gift voucher from employer. The company presented him gift voucher of rupees 6,000. No? So gift voucher. How much? 6,000. Check in the rules again, perquisite. We have not discussed that fully, but yeah, 374. Page 6.15. Ready? Some of them were still remaining. Na? 374. Value of gift, voucher, or a token. Anything. Token means again same thing, voucher only. In lieu of such gift. If not actual gift, then some voucher instead of gift. The value of any gift or voucher received by employee or any member of his family on ceremonial occasions, birthday, anniversaries, etc. From the employer shall be the what will be the perquisite shall be the sum equal to the amount of such gift, basically fair market value. It is to be noted that provisions of Section 56 relating to gifts shall not apply in case of gift from employer. Section 56, you are aware actually, but you will not remember, I fear. Section 56 is बच्चों charging section for income from other sources. Okay, everybody. So basically, gift received is also an income. What did I say, बच्चों? Gift received is also an income. So gift is also taxable. Okay, but under which head of income? Income from other sources. Yes, gift. But here the gift is received from employer. And the gift is received because of employer-employee relationship. Therefore, even gift but from employer will be taxable in this chapter. This chapter means salaries chapter. Understood or no, all of you? Got it? Bolo. Alright, everybody. Gift may be made either to employee or any member of the household. It is taxable as per in the hands of employee on the basis of actual expenditure of the employer. I mean, whatever is actually spent. But gift in kind means same thing, voucher, etc. Up to rupees 5,000 per annum is exempt. Okay. So here, whatever gift will be there, falling under 374, will exempt it up to rupees 5,000. Not a great amount or a big amount of exemption. Okay. So when the gift voucher received 6,000, will tax bachcha how much? Finally, 1,000 only. So I'll write down here less. Exempt up to rupees 5,000. So here also now perquisite taxable is just 1,000. Any other perquisite in the question now? Tell me. Pension we'll do later on. TV, है ना? What happened in Indrajit? Huh. TV. His colleagues also gifted him a TV worth rupees 50,000 from their own country. Perquisite or no? Why Indrajit? Because not given by employer. Simple. Not given by employer. Very good. No employer-employee relationship with colleagues. है ना? Understood. So that is a gift from friends. So basically, whatever now, even gift I told you is taxable as income from other sources. But it will not come under salary chapter at least. Understood, Kushbu? So just add these two figures, 1,21,000. Alright, Elia? So we come to third salary. Salary under section 17.3. Let's go one by one. First one, gratuity received. Six lakhs, no? Less what do we write, bachcho? Exempt. Under section what? 10.10. Gratuity is 10.10, no? Working note now 1 to what? 1 working note 1. ठीक है. Find Lilia, whatever that will come to. B. Leave encashment. How much received? 3,30,000. Less again. exempt under section 1010 AA. Correct, no? Again here बच्चों, what working note 2. Find till here. Third, yes, again we have what? Pension. Commuted pension, है ना? He has commuted pension immediately or no? Yes. He has commuted pension immediately. Commuted. Commuted it got बच्चों how much? 3 lakhs. Correct till here? Less. Exit under section. Is it 1010A? Okay. Here lots of calculation are not required, so we can finish it off here itself. Now, is he a government employee? No. Okay. Why limited? Now, second case, now what do we check? What is the question to be asked? Next question. Did he receive gratuity or not? Answer is yes. So how much बच्चों? 1/3 or 1/2? 1/3 will be exempt, okay? Yes, Celia? Now, this 3 lakh is 2/3, no? If 2/3 is rupees, 3 lakhs. Then how much will be बच्चों? Entire 1 will be how much, है ना? 3 by 2 by whatever, 2/3 of 3 lakhs, or 3 lakhs divided by 0.67. 2/3 is 0.67, no? So 3 divided by 2.267, how much? 5 lakhs? Tell me. Or 4.5? 4.5, okay. So rupees 4.5 lakhs. Find here. Therefore, 1/3 of 4.5 lakhs. Yes, all of you. ठीक है. $4.5, correct. 4.5 divided by 3 बच्चों, how much? 1.5 lakhs exactly. It will be exempt, okay? So your taxable communal pension is 1,50,000. Fine till here. D. Uncommuted pension. Taxable always, na? Uncommuted is बच्चों fully taxable. And they have given you whatever pension is receiving बच्चों is after commutation. I hope this is clear. It is after commutation. So you don't have to do anything. So it is rupees 5,000 into 2 months. That's it. Because he retired on January, na? 31st January. So 2 months, Feb and March. Yes, still here? 10,000. Fine. Anything else in the salary remains? Yes, all of you? So, we're going to take the total. What will we get, bachcho, of the totals? We'll get. I'll write down here also first figure this. And then I'll write down here gross salary. Correct, no? Do we have entertainment allowance, professional tax? Nothing. So less, I'm writing here standard deduction under section 16(1)(a) of rupees 50,000. Right, all of you? Correct, no? So I'm writing income from salaries. They've asked you gross total income, so, but I'll give you as a note only what is going to happen of the TV in your other sources. Okay. Okay, everybody, ready? So working notes. First one is what? Gratuity, no? Tell me, gratuity exempt leads to the following three figures. Statutory limit 20 lakhs. Second, gratuity actually received 6 lakhs. And third, he's covered under PG or no covered. So 15 by 26. Are हाँ या ना? Of last drawn salary. Not average of last 10 months. Of last drawn salary. And salary for this purpose, tell me, is basic plus DA full. अरे हाँ, tell me. Sorry. Ready, everybody? Into what? Into completed years of service, na? And more than 6 months is taken as 1 year. But here he has completed how many years? 30 years 1 month. So we're going to take 30 years only. है ना? Write down gratuity exemption. Sorry, is basic plus DA. How much is the basic going on? 20,000. And DA was 50% of that. 10,000. So we'll take last round salary as rupees 30,000. Right, Ilya? Completed number of years of service. How much will take? 30 years. Sorry. And last part, it is exempt lease of the following. First one, statutory limit, how much? 20 lakhs. Okay, all of you? Second, actually received, gratuity actually received 6 lakhs. And third, it is 15 by 26, correct? Into rupees. Last round salary 30,000. Into number of years, 30 years. Sorry, give me this figure. God. Give me this figure, all of you. Five lakh something. Correct. Two 31 something. I don't know. Okay. Delay. Sorry. 519, 231 will be, and that is the lease also, no? That is also the lease, bacho. Is it okay? Put out a figure first. So let us finish one by one, no? So 519, 213. 231, sorry. How much taxable? 80,000 something? 769. Is it okay, everybody? That is your gratuity. Nitin, okay. Kushbu, Mansi, Indrajit, all of you. Second one, leave encashment. Ready? And take homework seriously. I give very less homework, by the way, no, Nitin? Do I give five questions as homework? One concept, one question. If I start doing that, now my batch will get over in half time only. I am taking a three questions on one concept. Hai na? No, the reason I'm telling you, those who are giving actually December attempt, November attempt right now, income tax, enter, sorry. In group 1, the problem is tax. I'm telling you this. Okay, for all the students, the problem is tax. See, whatever I'll be very honest, no, very honest I'll be. Whatever even I do or anybody does in the batch is still is not sufficient. That is the quantum of syllabus of income tax and as well as complexity. So all the MTPs, RTPs, MCQs, once you cover that also, then I'll say, somewhere you are at a level where you can give the exam. Okay? Otherwise, just even passing becomes a problem, challenge in income tax. So because in not just income tax, overall taxation, because tax is what mixture of both theory as well as practical. See, accounts, costing is practical is fine. Law also, once you understand the concept and you have the writing practice, is also fine. Our students are getting good score in law also. Okay, in the test series, whichever is happening right now. For some of them, the challenge is accounts, some of them. But tax is a problem for all of them. Let it be a student of any teacher. I'm not saying anything about me or anybody else. But let it be student of anybody, I'm telling you. Tax is a major problem. Same thing has happened with me as a student, obviously many years back also. But what happens if I take this subject light, and that time we did not have GST also in our syllabus, okay? It was like 100 marks, 90 marks, all income tax. The problem is the syllabus is so huge and so complicated, and the adjustments or provisos asked from here and there, small, small things, it is challenging. You ask anybody who is giving this attempt, and your friends will be there, and ask them how was the RTP. RTP, you understand, you know, na? How was the RTP of this exam? They start crying only when they talk about RTP. It was that tough. Okay? So finish, Kushbu also. I mean, finish whatever syllabus you have. This is advice for all of you. Take it seriously. Finish the syllabus with the class. When I say syllabus means proper studies. Because whenever you'll be doing group 2 or whatever else, you will not be getting much time again for taxation or group 1 overall. Okay? So even if you're giving one group, there are students who are giving only one group right now. And still they have trouble. They're like just near the boundary they are passing in test series. Okay? So don't take the subjects of group 1 lightly. Okay? Finish it off. I think I've already told you the reference book also. That reference books are extra you can take. Ahuja Gupta book you can take, but that should be also for your particular attempt. It will be released, I think, in couple of months. Whatever, you can check that online, Ahuja Gupta. But for your relevant attempt, only then buy it. Single group also have trouble. They also have trouble. In fact, what the challenge becomes is even if you're giving only single group, you have lots of time to study. But even in that lots of time, you did not do properly. The problem is there is no guarantee anybody can give in writing that you will clear, na? That is a general problem, normal problem of average students. So when you study only for single group, and you have couple of months, 3 months extra, and after that also if your performance is not good, there is a big problem. Because then again you have to cover that group properly, then group 2 also later on properly. So even if you decide you want to give one group, you should be preparing at such a level, good level, that you should be assured, I will pass. I mean, not just mentally assured, but you have to actually do something for that. To give the test series, obviously, that will give you an idea where your marks are cut. See, what you do after class is all very important. I can't actually do after classes with you, no? So what you do by yourself, on yourself, by yourself only, that is very important. So revise after classes, do the questions in rough, whatever you have done in class, if the concept was not clear. But more than that, do something extra. MTP, RTP, start solving now. Where there is no amendment or the law is same or nothing great, You can do those earlier questions right now itself. That's why I told, make a collection, bunch or bundle of all these previous MTP, RTP, etc. And whichever syllabus now salaries is almost done, pick up that question, solve on your own. And obviously you should have the answer also with you. Okay, suggested answer. That will be easier for you. See, in accounts you have 10, 12 adjustments. If one of the adjustments is also tough, it becomes you will not get an answer. No. What is expected answer? You will not get that even if one adjustment is tough or one adjustment is different. Same thing happens in tax also. Same thing. They can give you one adjustment which is quite different and your answer will not match. So that one particular adjustment is given somewhere in MTP or RTP or previous exams. Somewhere it is given. So you have to keep those things in mind. Okay. Chalo, come back to leave encashment. Leave encashment exemption again, four things now you want. Statutory limit 3 lakhs. Actually receipt is how much? 3 lakh 30. Then last 10 months average salary. Stepwise marking are available, but if the third step itself is wrong, then you don't get marks or you get very less marks for the henceforth steps, the steps after that. You'll get full marks till it is right, and you'll not get marks or very less marks after those steps where you went wrong. Okay, everybody, let's go ahead. So starter limit 3 lakhs, received 3 lakh 30, last 10 months salary will find out. Last 10 months salary is what, bachcho? HRA salary. And then again leaves balance divided by 30 days into average salary of last 10 months. So first one. Salary. For this purpose is what? Basic plus DA forming part of retirement plus commission as a fixed percentage of turnover. है ना? How much is the basic bachcho going on? 20,000. Okay. Have they given you DA forms part of retirement? No. So don't assume it to be forming part of retirement. They should clearly give you that it forms part of retirement. Have they given that? No. They just said DA is 50%, but it does not form. They have not given you it forms part of retirement. So don't assume it to be forming part of retirement. Clear till here? So I'm just writing here for your understanding. Nil plus nil. Okay, everybody. So rupees 20,000. Again, there is no change in the last 10 months salary. Clear till here? Therefore, average salary is coming to 20,000 now. Is it okay? And last 10 months salary is rupees how much now? 2 lakhs. Is it okay? Right till here? Chalo. It is exempt least of the following. It is exempt least of the following. First, statutory limit 3 lakhs, no? B, actually received. See, these questions are very, you can say, favorite for MCQs. They'll give you all the data and ask you to calculate or give MCQs for 2 marks. You have to do the calculation, but not show the calculation, no? So they are kind of in a way kind of a favorite questions. Actually received 3 lakh 30. Last 10 months salary 2 lakhs. And D, balance they have given you already the number of days. Okay, balance. So 330 days upon 30 days into average salary is how much? 20,000. Number of years, how much we are going to take? We ignore the fraction at that time. है ना? 30 years. Correct, all of you? Give me this figure. Correct. 2,20,000. Least is 2 lakhs. Done till here, all of you. Least is what, bacho? 2 lakhs. Ready? Put it in the answer. 2 lakhs. Taxable here becomes 1,30,000. So give me only 17,3 salary. 80,769, 1,30,000, 1,50,000 and 10,000. Give me only 17,3 salary. All of you. Three lakh 70,769. Is it? All of you check. Exempt 2,20,000. Least na beta. Are you okay or no? Are you feeling okay? Out of these four figures, which is the least? Not last, least. 2 lakhs, na? So exempt was 2 lakhs, no? 377,69. Everybody okay? Chalo, give me gross salary now. Add all 17,1, 17,2, 17,3. Give me gross, bachcho. Add 17,1, 17,2, 73. Pen drive students also. Chalo, quickly. Solve. 791, 769. Minus 50, so 741, 769. Income from salaries. If you do find gross total income, I'll round it up. Huh? Net taxable income. Which section? Rounding up. NTI, tell me. Arey. 288A, bachcho. For income, it is A. For tax liability, it is B. Still. Arey. Tough. Very tough. You should get a strict teacher. Not like me. I am very casual, hai na? I should actually be in classroom with the stick, this chadi only, chadi scale. 288A. Revision, understanding now? How much revision is required? Write down. TV is gifted by colleagues and not employer. Therefore, gift income will be treated as income from other sources. Full stop. Second point. However, TV, bachcho, what do you say? Movable or immovable? TV, bachcho, obviously will consider it as movable, okay? That is also the reason you might have heard or seen about gifting of costly watch, cars. These things are bachcho gifted by, you can say, celebrities, etc. Because now because these gifts are fully exempt. Movable property gifts are bachcho fully exempt. Okay, there are certain exceptions to it, but normally. Okay, so right now, however, TV is not a property for taxing as gift under section 56 to 10. Therefore, it is exempt. I'm just giving you ideas what all you can gift me, okay? And as it is, it will not be taxable in my hands. Okay, you can give me watch, car, TV also is okay. Fine. चलेगा मुझको. फाइंड लिया. रेडी. 25. Ready, all of you? ठंडी शुरू हो गई ना. भगवान. Question number 25. Sri Bala, employed in ABC Company Limited as finance manager, gives you a list of perquisites provided by the company to him for the entire financial year. Domestic servant was provided at the residence of Bala. Salary to domestic servant is 1500 per month. Servant was engaged by him. That means he hired them, the servant. And salary is reimbursed by the company. No problem. Fine. Free education was provided to his two children, Aarti and Ashok, in a school maintained and owned by the company. The cost of Aarti is 900 per month, Ashok 1200 per month. So one of them is fully exempt, other is taxable. No amount was recovered by company for such education facility from Bala. Then no problem, good. The employers provided movable assets. Provided television, refrigerator, AC at residence of Bala. 10% of actual cost per annum. The actual cost of such asset is 1,10,000, so 10%. A gift voucher of 10,000 was given on his occasional marriage anniversary. It was given by company to all employees above certain grade, but again, gift voucher up to 5,000 exempt, so 5,000 taxable. Telephone provided at the residence of Bala. The bill is 25,000 rupees paid by the employer. What will happen of this? Tell me quickly. How much taxable? Tell me, bachcho. Telephone bill 25,000 paid by employer. How much taxable? Okay, Mansi. Others. Okay, Indrajit. Khushbu, Nitin. क्या पता कहाँ है उसका. अच्छा, क्या पता कहाँ यूज़ किया है. ओके, पर्सनल और प्रोफेशनल, ग्रेट. हाँ, नाइस. ओके, एनी आंसर? नितिन इज कुछ भी आर फाइंडिंग फटाफट फटाफट है ना इन नोट्स. ओके, पर्सनल फाइन, सो फुल्ली टैक्सेबल. खुशबू. हाँ, खुशबू स्टिल फाइंडिंग. हाँ. हाँ क्या? हाँ आगे क्या? स्टिल फाइंडिंग है ना. अच्छा, व्हाट डज योर गट फीलिंग्स टेल यू? टैक्सेबल और नॉन टैक्सेबल? सिंपल. फुल्ली टैक्स और हाउ मच टैक्स और व्हाट? अरे बोलो ना जल्दी. Fully tax, okay. Kushbu says fully tax, okay. Almost all of you say fully tax. Only Mansi says no tax because she was paying attention. Even you were paying attention, but you forget. She revises maybe, I don't know. Okay, or her memory is good. Telephone, but everything is exempt. Mobile as well as telephone, if it is landline also, at the home residence of employee is fully exempt. Only what is taxable regarding telephone? वेरी गुड मानसी. ऑफिस कुछ भी मतलब इंद्र कुछ भी बोलने का इंद्रजीत. वाई ऑफिस इनफैक्ट फोन विल बी टैक्सेबल? इट इज फॉर वर्क पर्पस. टेलीफोन अलाउंस इज टैक्सेबल. स्टार मार्क इज ऑफ नो यूज टू यू है ना. टेलीफोन अलाउंस इज टैक्सेबल. Star mark is of no use to you, okay? I'll give you 2 stars later next time, okay? So you'll pay more attention. So telephone, including mobile phone, even if it is at residence and paid by employer, is not taxable. Okay, everybody? But if telephone allowance is given as a part of salary, allowance bachcho is cash. How many times I've told you? Okay, if cash is given in the part of, in the salary as a telephone allowance, that it is then fully taxable. But if mobile phones or landlines, even if it is at residence, those bills are reimbursed, even if for personal purpose, it is exempt. Okay, and then you ask me stepwise marking. You'll get this adjustment wrong. What is the use of doing other correctly then? Ready? Chalo, where are we? Bala. हाँ. Housing loan at 6% per annum. Amount outstanding as on 1/4/22 current year is 6 lakhs. Sorry. He pays 12,000 per month towards principal on 5th of each month. Oh god. Compute chargeable perquisite for the year 23-24 AY. God. The lending rate is how much for the SBI? 10%. Employer is charging how much? 6%. So perquisite rate is 4%. Yes, everybody? Let's start. As it is, we want only perquisite taxability, nothing else. Write down. Computation of for AY 23-24. Ready, everybody? So particulars rupees. One small homework for you. If you have any senior friends who are in inter or giving exams right now, just ask them, okay? Which head of income is tough for them? Chalega, that much can you do? Obviously, the answer is subjective. Subjective means it depends from student to student, but let us see. Ready, everybody? What, Indrajit? Salary and what? Yes, Mansi. So this is not even the toughest chapter. No. Students leave at option PGBP because it is lengthy also. But I don't think so. It is that. It is lengthy, I agree, but it is not that tough. PGBP. Finally, all of you. Chalo, let's start. First one. Domestic servant. There is no exemption, or whatever the salary paid by employer to the domestic servant will be the perquisite. Hello, everybody. Yes. So domestic servant. How much rupees? 1,500 into 12 months. 18,000. Second, free education for Arti. It is rupees 900 into 12 months. 84, no? 81, no? 81,000, no? 8,100, I mean, sorry. But less exempt, no? Up to rupees 1,000 per month per child. 12 lines is 108. 10,800, no, bacho? Tell me what I'm writing. Correct, na? Too much confidence I have. Overconfidence. So since this is bachcho what less than 1000, so it is fully exempt. Yes, Celia? This is for Aarti. What about Ashok? This is rupees 1200 into 12 months. 144, so 14,400. Again, I'm repeating, you may see different answers in study material also, or even in suggested answer. They may say entire, it is crossing 1000, so fully taxable. Fully taxable, that can be one of the answers. Another answer is what? It says up to 1000, so we'll take exemption up to 1000. Already clear? So exempt up to rupees 1000 per month per child. So 12,000 will be exempt. Taxable year 2,400. Yes, everybody. Then what do we have? Third, use of movable assets. है ना? %10 of actual cost, that is the value of perquisite. They have not given us dates, etc. From which date is starting to use, so we'll take for the entire year. Okay, so rupees 1,10,000 है ना, into 10%, 11,000. Any problem, everybody? All okay? Fourth one. Ready? What are we doing? Gift voucher. 10,000 received. What do we say? Less exempt up to 5,000. Done, everybody? Fifth, telephone. How much? 25,000 taxable? Nothing. Not a taxable perquisite. Not a taxable perquisite. Fine till all of you. Sixth, housing loan. Wow. Housing loan concessional interest. Only that much is remaining. Housing loan concessional interest. Fine. Nice. So working note 1. There are no other working notes, no? You will calculate. I will not help you with this right now. I have covered these questions, no? So I can expect you to start solving total taxable perquisite. Solve बच्चों. How much is the loan amount? Loan amount is 6 lakhs. ठीक है? That was the outstanding amount as on 1st April in the beginning of the year. And every month he's paying 12,000, but on the 5th of every month. So let me just give you a small hint. For the month of April, on what figure you will charge interest? On what figure? Tell me all of you. For the month of April only. On 6 lakhs, 6 lakh 12,000 or 5 lakh 88,000. On what figure you will charge interest? All of you. Wow, there's a small sparrow here. Nice. Don't shit your bus. Okay, Nitin. Others, what answer you gave me? Okay. Tell me quickly. Are bolo. Are you there or no, all of you? On what figure you will charge interest for the month of April? Just tell me that first. Oh, goodness. Okay, 6 lakhs, 6 lakhs. Mansi, Kushbu. For the month of April. Okay, Nitin. Kushbu, again finding, है ना? Kushbu is waking up only, है ना? Kushbu is still in bed only, no? Tell me. है ना? Okay. Mansi. For the month of April, you will charge on 5,88,000. Why? Because you charge interest on which balance? Opening balance or month end balance? You charge bachcho on month end balance, closing balance, correct? So you are paying principal on 5th of every month. That is 5th April you paid 12,000. So for April end your balance is 5,88,000. So for April you will charge on 5,88,000 at the rate of 4% for 1 month, because every month your balances are changing. I hope this is clear. So 5,88,000 into 4% into 1 by 12. Correct, Leo? Next month for the month of May, tell me. 588 minus 12. 576. Again for at the rate of 4%, but for 1 month only. Is this clear, all of you? Tell me. Clear? So write down. Chalo, I'll just give you a hint. Calculations you will do, obviously. Working note 1. Concessional interest calculation. Basically, you'll have to do calculation for 12 months. Simple. है ना? Yes, Celia? First, what is my concessional rate? I'm not writing all the law, etc. now. It is just simply 10% minus 6%. It is 4% per annum is the concession I'm getting. Yes or no, all of you? Taxable on month end balance. So what columns will use to make month, closing balance and interest. So for example, for the month of April 22, my closing balance is not 6 lakhs, it is 5,88,000. है ना? So interest which will be at 5,88,000 into 4% into 1 by 12 months. Yes, this you will have to do for all the months. Finish this off quickly. Chalo.
Recording stopped.
Calculate, finish this off. Is it reducing by 40 every time? Chalo, find quickly. The first figure is 1960.
Recording in progress.
Then what? 19420, no? Correct, yeah. 1880, 1840, 1800, 1760, 1720, 1680, 1640. Correct, yeah. 1600, 1560, and 1520. Yes. Total comes to 20,000. 880. 20,880. Is it right? Tell me. 20,880. Chalo, take that in the main figure. And total comes to 57,000 something. 57,280. Tell me. Is it right? Done, all of you? One more. $35. Then we'll take a break, okay? Question number 35. Ready, all of you? Mr. M is an area manager of Mesas and Steels Company Limited during the financial year 22-23. He gets the following emoluments, means benefits salary from the employer. What? Basic salary up to 31st August 22. 20,000 per month. From 1st September 22, 25,000 per month. He got increment. Transport allowance, rupees 2,000 per month. Then contribution to recognized provident fund, 15% of basic. Underline the word bachcho, from his employer. Means that 50% of basic is whose contribution? Employer or employee? It is employer's contribution. Okay. Children education allowance totally receives rupees 500 per month for 2 children. In totality. Okay. Not each. It is for total both the children. City compensatory allowance. Children hostel expense allowance total 380 he gets for 2 children. Tiffin allowance. Actual expenses 3,700, but he gets 5,000 per annum. No problem. It is per annum. Fine. Tax paid on employment. Do you remember what is tax paid on employment? Very good. It is professional tax. PT. It is professional tax. But again, I am repeating. Who has paid that? It is paid by employer. Obviously, on behalf of employees. So what should happen? It will be first added in the income as perquisite, and then again we'll take it as deduction under section 16(3). Hai na? Remember or no, bachcho, all of this? Compute taxable salary of Mr. M for AY 23-24. So this is very simple question. Just one or two your adjustments are different. Okay, and that also we'll find out in the syllabus somewhere, whatever is its treatment. Ready? Chalo, write down. Computation off. for 23-24. Particulars rupees. Okay, all of you, let's start. The first one. Salary under section, tell me. 17.1. Basic salary. So rupees 20,000. Up to August, na? So April, May, June, July, August. 5 months. And remaining months, 25,000. Do we have DA? DA is not given to us. Give me this salary. 275. Okay, 275. I'm writing that in inner column. That is basic salary. What else we have? Transport allowance. You will tell me, Bachu, what happens of transport allowance. Very good, Mansi. Fully taxable. It will be exempt up to 3,200 per month only if the employee was ठीक है, good, deaf, blind, correct, है ना? Correct. Otherwise it is not given to us, so don't assume, correct, yes, handicap, correct. So it will, right now it is fully taxable. Clear till here? Good. So 24,000. Then allowance, what do you have? Children education allowance. Okay. Totally received is rupees 500 into 12 months. Okay, but for 2 children, it is not per child. Received is this much, 66,000. है ना? Less what? Exempt up to rupees 100 per month per child. So 100 into 12 months into 2 children. Limit is also as it is of 2 children, है ना? So 2,400 will exempt. 3,600 taxable, है ना? Do we have hostel also? Yes. We'll finish children all together. That's why the calculation. How much received? Rupees 380 into 12 months. It is for both the children, huh? Comes to, is it 4560? Tell me. Calculate. All of you calculate. Less how much? 300 per month per child, no? But we'll take up to 4560 then, because it comes to what? 7,200, no? Are हाँ या ना? Our exemption cannot be more than income. Clear till here, all of you? Clear, everybody? Then we have what bachcho? City compensatory allowance. Check in the textbook what happens. You will find it in the table. Fully taxable, fully exempt. That table is there. City compensatory. Fully taxable, correct. Rupees 300 into 12 months, 3600 fully taxable. Fine till here? There's nothing of 17 to 17.3 as it is. Fine. Great. There is 17.3 na? Recognized Provident Fund. Okay. What about tiffin allowance? Tiffin allowance, anything is given to you, depends on actual expenditure or fully taxable. Allowance it is. Fully taxable. And it's 5,000 for the year. Okay. Anything else in 17.1? Allowance. Our recognized provident fund is 17.3. City compensatory you have taken? Taken. Yeah. That is my 17.1 salary, whatever this will come to. Do we have perquisites? No. So second part I'm writing. Salary under section 17.3. Fine till here? Yes, there was. Yes, Mansi, there is. Yes. Good point. Just now it clicked me. Good point. What bunch of perquisite we have? Professional tax paid by employer. Good. It's 2,500. Correct. And third, $17.3. Employer contribution to sorry, recognized provident fund. Recognized provident fund, bachcho. Again, there is a table I've given you. Recognized, statutory, unrecognized, and PPF, public provident. What is the perquisite under 17, not perquisite, 17.3 salary or 17.3 taxability? What about employer's contribution? Employer is contributing for you. So what is the law? There is some rate given or not given. Very good, Mansi. Up to 12% is exempt. Up to 12% is exempt. So beyond 12% is taxable. But please be careful. It is here the contribution is 15% of basic. Are हाँ या ना? The actual contribution is 15% of basic. Exemption is 12% of salary. Are हाँ या ना? Or bouncer? Tell me. Understood a bouncer? In the table, bachcho, what is given? Up to 12% of salary is exempt. Clear till here? So let us first of all write down what is the actual contribution. Chalo, write down. It is 15% of basic or no? Yes. Basic is how much? Total basic 275. Are हाँ. Give me this figure. 41,250 is it? This is the actual figure, so there is no problem about it. Referring to the rules, it is बच्चों exempt or less 12% of salary. अरे हाँ, important. You will tell me your salary for this purpose is what? Is it HRA salary? Good. So basic plus DA forming part of retirement plus commission as a fixed percentage of turnover. Yes. These are the things you should remember. Okay. Do we have DA in the question? No. Do we have commission? No. So luckily it is right now. You are saved. Arey haan. The 12% of same thing. 2,75,000 comes to 33,000, is it? Good. Fine. Kushbu understood, Nitin? Good. Chalo. 41,250 minus 33 is how much? 8,250. Per question is 2,500. And give me 17,1 salary. Give me 17,1 salary. Two lakh 75,000. Arey, 17,1 add this also na. Allowances, etc. All of that. Add all the allowances. 311,200. Okay. Check all of you. Only 17,1 I'm saying. Okay. 275 plus 24 plus 6 plus 3,600 plus 3,600 and 5,000. Fine. And now give me gross salary. Three 21,950 only. Okay. Less. Now we'll have two reductions, hai na? Under section 16. 1A is channel reduction up to rupees 50,000, 50. Okay. And 3, professional tax paid in his name, na? 2,500. Therefore, income from salaries. Two 69, 450. Fantastic. Good. Fantastic. Take 15 minutes break. We'll see you at 10:30.
Recording stopped.
क्या हो गया इंद्रजीत? पूरा आंसर क्या देखना है? कुछ तो गड़बड़ किया क्या तूने? हाँ बोलो नितिन. ओके नितिन. चलेगा. ठीक है, टेक अ ब्रेक एवरीबॉडी. 10:30 10:30 को बोला तो 10:32 हो जाता है. Let's start. Let's start. कौन आया भाई? आ गए सब लोग. फटाफट कमेंट करो.
Recording in progress.
चलो शुरू करते हैं. Let's start. Continue. Let's continue. Question number 36. Come to question number 36. Ready? From the following details, find out salary chargeable to tax of Mr. Anand. Salary chargeable to tax of Mr. Anand for AY 23-24. Okay, no problem. Let us read the question at least first. He was a regular employee of Malpani Limited in Mumbai. Mumbai may be important HRA. Let's see. He was appointed on 1st March 22 at the scale of 25,000, 2,500 and 35,000. I hope this much is clear to you. 1st March. He is paid DA which forms part of retirement at 15% of basic. So DA forms part fully of retirement. Understood or no? DA is 15% of basic, but entire DA forms part of retirement. Then he is paid bonus equivalent to 1.5 months basic pay as at the end of the year. Fine. End of the year. Huh? He contributes, he himself, 18% of his salary, basic plus DA, towards recognized provident fund. And company also, employer also contributes the same amount. Alright. He is provided free housing facility, which has been taken on rent by the company at 15,000 per month. Remember that perquisite now. Mumbai, 15% of salary. Are haan. Okay. But it is free. That means nothing is recovered from employee. Then company reimburse medical treatment bill of 40,000 for his daughter, who is dependent. Daughter can be independent also. But reimburse medical treatment bill. We'll assume that everything is at your regular hospital. We'll see that. Okay. Monthly salary of 2,000 of a housekeeper is reimbursed by company per visit. Is getting a telephone allowance. Tell me all of you now. Taxable or exempt telephone allowance of rupees 1,000 per month. All of you answer. Correct, Mansi? क्या करूँ राम मैं क्या करूँ राम उठा ले रे भगवान उठा ले You guys are not paying attention. If it is reimbursement of telephone, it is exempt. If it is reimbursement of telephone bill, it is exempt. If it is payment of telephone bill, it is exempt. It can be telephone as mobile, at residence or anywhere. If the fixed amount is given in the salary as allowance, it is taxable. Just like medical allowance is fully taxable. Medical, but your reimbursement is not taxable, but medical allowance is taxable. Clear? Then gift voucher of 4,700 given on marriage anniversary, 4,700, so up to 5,000 exempt. Company pays medical insurance premium to effect an insurance on the health of Mr. Anand, 12,000. Medical insurance premium. Tell me what happens. Taxable or exempt? Medical insurance premium. What happens? Taxable or exempt? It is exempt. Medical insurance is exempt. Life insurance is taxable. I've done all of this. Only problem is about your revision. Then, motor car running and maintenance charges is 36,600 fully paid by employer. The motor car is owned and driven by Anand, so no question of driver. Self-owned. The capacity is below 1.6 liter engine, so less than 1600 cc. The motor car is used obviously for both purposes, personal and official. That we will see, है ना? And value of free lunch. Free lunch is provided. Free lunch during office hours is rupees 2200 per month. Value. They're talking of value. Why about your value? Because how much the free meal is allowed, how much? Free meal is allowed how much? Very good. Rupees 50 per meal is exempt, above that is taxable. Clear till here? And generally, and it's written lunch, so we're talking of one meal only. Fine. So nothing out of syllabus or different we are doing right now. It is just mixture of many things. Ready everybody? What is asked? Find chargeable salary. You will have a problem with this, I'm very sure. Let's see. I'll give you time also, but to calculate, etc. Okay, ready everybody? So computation off. Taxable salary of Mr. Anand. For what बच्चों? AY 23-24 है ना all of you? Particulars rupees. What is the first thing you write? Salary under section 17(1). चलेगा? First, basic salary. Basic salary. You will calculate. The figures are there in front of you. Calculate basic salary. Even pen drive students do it quickly. First find the figure and then I can start the video.
Recording stopped.
God. Okay, Mansi. Nitin, Khushbu, Indrajit. अरे बाकी के लोग, what happened? Okay, Nitin, fine. खुशबू, इंद्रजीत, if you're there. हाँ, खुशबू ले लेके हाँ सर, हाँ सर. Is इंद्रजीत there? इंद्रजीत आयस का तो बाहर है. नहीं है वो. खुशबू, हाँ सर. अरे आंसर मैडम. क्या हो गया खुशबू? गिव मी बेसिक सैलरी। बच्चों ये भी चली गई लगता खुशबू। हाँ, ओके फाइन।
Recording in progress.
Okay, pen drive students, I hope, pen drive app students, I hope you and you have calculated. So around 3,30,000 something answers I got, okay? Around 3,30,000. Fine. Look at the question. When did he join? 1st March 22. 1st March 22, है ना? So his salary as on the joining date was how much? 25,000. From which month to which month? From March 22 till Feb 22. His salary was 25,000. अरे हाँ या ना? Agreed? So basically for how many months in the current year? The salary was 25,000. 11 months. How? Are till February बच्चों. February 23 ना? See, his salary as on 1st March 23 will increase or no? That is salary for the month of March. Will increase for the month of March. So till February. Again your salary is constant for 12 months. So from March 22 to Feb 23, salary is 25,000 rupees per month. March 22, but March 22 is not in the current year. Are you getting my point? So from April 22 to February 22, February 23, 11 months, the salary is rupees 25,000. And then what is the next salary then? Understood or no? 27,500. है ना? Increment is of 2,500 no? Into 1 month. Understood? What mistakes you did? You took for all 12 months, 11 months, 12 months, something, and then increment of 30,000, something like that. No. It was March 22. Okay, so earlier year, in fact, last financial year. This comes to what? 3,02,500, tell me. Khushbu Nitin understood? Then second part. DNS allowance is how much, which forms part of salary, is 15% of basic, no problem. So if basic is wrong, are you understanding now? Other things you calculate is of no use, no? How much is this? 45,375 is it? Sorry, 40, how much it is? 45,375 is it? And third, bonus. Third बच्चों bonus. How much is bonus paid? Bonus is 1.5 months basic pay as at the end of the year. As at the end of the year. Give me the bonus amount. Give me total bonus, final bonus amount. All of you calculate. Bonus is 1.5 of basic of the last month of the year. This should not be a big problem. Should not be a big problem. Come on. All of you answer quickly. Okay. Khushbu, Nitin. Pen drive students, find out. Pause the video and again try.
Recording stopped.
Nitin, Khushbu, Indrajit, whoever are there, answer quickly. बोलो. Okay. Okay, fine.
Recording in progress.
1.5 month means what? I got around answers around 13,750 something and 21,000 something I got. Fine. 1.5 means what? 0.5 or 1.5? 1.5, good. Okay. Of basic pay. है ना? So if your basic pay itself is 25,000 or 27,500, whatever it is, of that 1.5, so answer has to be more than that or less than that? More than the basic pay, na? You know bonus. Have you heard of bonus? No? Are हाँ. So bonus generally, again, obviously you might not be aware fully, but bonus normally, practically, let us say, is given in the month of Diwali. Okay, I'm talking of practically something now. And generally, bonus is given as 1 month salary. Generally, I'm saying normally, okay? Or it can be 1 month's basic, etc. Bonus. Fine till here, all of you? So here, the only thing is it is 1.5 multiplied with basic salary. The only question is 1.5 into what? Come on. 1.5 into what? What is his salary at the end of the year? On what basis he is given bonus? On the yearly end salary. And what is his salary at the end of the year? For the month of March, his salary changes, bacho. Just now we have done now. Salary for the month of March will become now March 23. No, now will be 27,500. We did just now or no? This for the month of March 23. Arey हाँ. Understood, all of you? I told you will have a problem with this. This comes to what? 41 to 50. Correct, Elia? Okay. Anything else in 17.1? Provident fund. Perquisite. Medical bill. Perquisite. Telephone allowance. Allowance put in the first one. God. $12,000. Okay. Gift voucher 17.1. Value of free lunch is also perquisite only, na? Okay, clear, all of you? Totaling we'll do later on. Salary under section 17.2. That is perquisite. Ready? Provident fund is 17.3. First one. Rent-free accommodation. Remember that? Where in Mumbai? God. Tell me, now the property is owned by employer or rented by employer? It is rented by employer. So what is the value of perquisite? Actual rent paid or payable by the employer to the owner? Or 15% of salary, whichever is lower. Salary for this purpose is basic plus which one? DA. DA full or retirement? DA is retirement plus commission plus bonus plus other taxable allowances. Remember that, all of you? Correct? No? You should remember this. Arey haan. Write down. House property not owned by employer, therefore perquisite is lower of 15% of salary or rent paid or payable by employer. Yes, still here, all of you? First, can you find out salary for this purpose? So for that, just look in the questions which you have already solved. 3,02,500. Is there DA there in the question? Yes. Have they given you which DA are we taking? Tell me. DA has to be forming part of retirement. Have they given in the question it forms part of retirement? Yes. It forms part of retirement. So yes, we will take DA fully. 45,375. Plus bonus? Yes. And our telephone allowance also yes. Why? Taxable allowances we take. Give me salary, this salary. God. Is it 4,01,000 something? 125? So therefore perquisite is what, bachcho? Lower of what? 15% of 4,01,125. Or how much rent is he paying, bachcho, to the owner? 15,000 per month, okay? Company to the owner. 1,80,000, no? How much 15%, bachcho? Is it 60,169? Yes, everybody. So inner column 60,169. Is it okay? Kushbu Mansi. Mansi to answer, yeah. Nitin. Should I go ahead? What is the second perquisite we have? Any other? We have perquisites, obviously. La 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 la. Medical treatment of his daughter, but they have not given you where or which hospital. Is it employer's hospital? If it is employer's hospital, but why there will be reimbursement? No, are hi ya na? Then they have not given you. It is government hospital or not? Have they given you? No. So reimbursement of medical treatment. You have to take assumption here. Is reimbursement allowed? Allowed. Is daughter allowed? Allowed. Okay. So assuming not approved hospital. Approved means neither government or any other approved. Assuming not approved hospital, therefore fully taxable. Fine till here? So I'm making it fully taxable. So how much he spent? 40,000? Okay, I'm taking here 40,000. We should give the same treatment, bacho. If it is not clear which hospital, then we should take it as unapproved hospital. Okay. Next perquisite. Monthly salary of housekeeper. Yes, domestic servant बच्चों fully taxable है ना? Domestic servant. How much? 2000. Okay, so 2000 per month. So 24,000. Fine till here, all of you. Next one. What? Gift voucher. It is what? 4700? 4700. What do we say? Less. Exempt up to 5000. What about medical insurance premium, बच्चों? Exempt or taxable? Exempt, okay? It is not a perquisite. Fine till here? Sixth one, motor car. Fantastic. What is the benefit to the employee? The running and maintaining expenses are paid by employer. That is the benefit. है ना? So motor car. Running and maintenance. Paid by what बच्चों? Employer. है ना? Tell me the features. Owned by employee. Correct till here? Used for both purpose. Used for both purpose, obviously. And engine capacity is less than 1600 cc or 1.6 liter. Go back to your notes. Rule 3. Check. Motor car. It is owned by employee. And employer gives the running and maintenance expenditure. It is used for both purpose, official as well as private. Small car. So actual expenditure incurred by the employer minus 1800. But if there is also a driver, then 900 plus we will add over there. But it is given in the question, it is owned by the employee as well as driven by the employee. So there is no chauffeur or no driver. So what are the perquisite? Is actual expenditure. How much the employer spent, बच्चों? Tell me the figure in the question. $36,600 said 36,600. Okay. अरे हाँ. Less. How much now per month? Rupees 1800 per month. Okay. Is it okay, everybody? Finally, that figure comes to 21,600 something. Check. $15,000 now, whatever this figure will come to, that we will see later on. And lastly, what? Free lunch. First we'll take whatever is received is rupees 2200 per month, na? What is the value, bachcho? During office hours, obviously. So this is what? 26,400 is it, bachcho? Tell me. Less. What? We allow how much? Rupees 50 per meal. And we are taking 26 working days. Are ha. Per month. Into 12 months. Yes, Celia? $15,600 will be exempt. This comes to what, 10,800 something? Any other perquisite? That rule we'll take later on, okay? So third part, ready? Salary under section now. $17,300. What will we put in 17,300 बच्चों? Pension? No, he's not retired. But we'll talk about recognized provident fund. है ना? So first one. Employer contribution, no? That is his income, no? First we'll write an actual contribution. Because here they are written company provides the same amount. So we are talking about employer's contribution, okay? Over here, when we are adding in his salary. $18% off. Basic plus DA. Basic 3,02,500 plus how much my DA है बच्चों? 45,375 ना? Give me this figure. All of you. 62,618. Finally, less what? How much we allow? 12% of salary. Salary for this purpose. Basic plus DA. HR salary, na? So same thing. We don't have commission in the question. So same thing. 3,02,500 plus 45,375. You're still here? Whatever that is. So 12% of that figure. Or I'm writing here 3,02,500 plus 45,375. Give me the exemption figure. 41,745. Correct. Don't just copy paste others. So give me 17,1 salary. $20 what? $17,1. 4,01,125. Okay. Seventeen two. Calculate correctly, all of you. All of you confirm, huh? One 49,969. Somebody confirm. And 17.3 only is 20,873. I will confirm your now. Therefore, gross salary. One 49 or 150. Where? 150. It is 169, na your. Somewhere it was 169, that's why. Don't round up if it is coming to 69, then take 69 only. 571,967 is correct. Correct. Less. Are we given any professional tax, entertainment or nothing? So less standard deduction under section 16 1A of 50,000. For income from salaries or taxable salary. $521,967. Yes, still here. If they ask you taxable income, then that's a different thing. No? Taxable income is again you have to take GTI minus chapter 6A and all of that. Okay, everybody? Done, all of you? Come to question number 38, 38. I've given lots of extra question actually. For practice only. Ready, all of you? Find out taxable value perquisite for AY 23-24 in the following cases. Ready? Taxable value perquisite. X is an employee in accounts department of A Limited. He is an employee in the accounts department, okay, accounting and finance. On 27 November 22, he attends a seminar on perquisite valuation. Okay. Seminar fees of 7,500 is paid by A Limited. That means by the company. Tell me. First of all, you have to identify which they are asking you in the question, taxable perquisite or perquisite. So it is perquisite. But you'll have to find out which category of perquisite is this. If you are unable to find out category, then you'll have to dig into residuary, balance one. But still, you can find out and tell me. And obviously tell me what is the final answer. How much taxable, not taxable, whatever it is.
Recording stopped.
फाइंड आउट बच्चों. वैल्यू परक्विजिट कितना टैक्सेबल है कितना नहीं, and a reason for that. Reason means under which category you will take it as perquisite. Find out. कोई आंसर है? Anybody any answer? बोलो. 7,500 spent on his perquisite valuation fees, perquisite valuation seminar by the company. है ना? तो how much taxable in the hands of employee? Okay. Why, Mansi? He attends a seminar. Seminar fees are paid, not traveling expenditure. Seminar fees are paid of 7,500, not traveling. What do you think, Nitin? He is employee of accounts department, accounting, accounting finance. No, not personal. Why will he do personal seminar for perquisite valuation? He is into accounts department, accounting, so that is okay. It will be useful for his work. Khushbu to is not answering only, huh, Khushbu? Why? Okay. चलो ठीक है. You will say not a very good Nitin. Yes, good answer you gave. हाँ, now tell me why exempt. चलो, good.
बिकॉज कंपनी ट्रेन कर रहा है.
ओके, नहीं तुम्हारा आंसर आ गया. अदर्स what you have typed is absolutely correct, Nitin. What you have typed. Okay, Khushbu.
Recording in progress.
Okay, so this is exempt. Okay, I got answers from all of you almost. It is exempt, yes, because he obviously is doing. He's an employee in the accounts department. In the accounting, you have to do all the calculation of salaries of employee, and for the calculation of salaries of employees, this perquisite knowledge, perquisite valuation rules will be helpful as an accountant. Yes. So yes, it is for the purpose. It is not for his personal benefit. The seminar which he's doing, in fact, it is for the benefit of the company or the employer. Yes. But again, if you have to pinpoint and tell this perquisite will fall in which category, then it will come under educational facilities. Okay. It will come under where? Educational facility. Where exactly we have seen that point. Okay, I'll just tell you. That's why I find out such questions for you, which will make you think. Okay, where is it? Education. This one. Expenditure incurred for training of employees is not taxable. So that perquisite valuation is for training only, no, of the employee, so that he can work better or he can work correctly in the company for the calculation purposes. है ना? Understood on all of you? बोलो. Everybody got it? ठीक है. So for training of employee बच्चों nothing is taxable. Right now. First case, okay, case 1. Ready? Expenditure borne by or paid by, no? For training of employee for work purposes is not a perquisite. Is not a perquisite. Okay. Done. कुछ भी okay, no? Next one. Why is his son? So another, these are separate cases. Huh? These are independent cases. Why his son is a student of 9th class of DPS Delhi, 70,500 being tuition fees of Y's son is reimbursed by the company where Mr. Y is working. So basically his employer has reimbursed the fees. There is no arrangement between the company and the school. What will happen? Okay, Mansi. Yes, but it is fully taxable. Reimbursement of fees is taxable for all the employees. Okay. So write down reimbursement of tuition fees is fully taxable. Reimbursement of tuition fee is fully taxable for all types of employees. Final year, all of you? Ready? Third one. Unique Public School Unique Public School Ajmer is owned and maintained by the school, okay? Is owned and maintained by C Limited, a manufacturing company. Books of account of school and the company are maintained separately. School is separate, company is separate. Z is an employee of the company. The following family members of Z are students of that school. Understood earlier? So the school is owned, maintained by employer, and the employees' family members are studying in the school. Okay, check. Cost of education in similar institute. FMV, fair market value. A, who is daughter of Z, is in that school. Her actual cost is 5,500 fair market value, but charged by employer only 800. अरे हाँ. Then B, dependent brother of Z. His cost is how much बच्चों? Fair market value 6,000, but charged how much by employer? 1,600 per month. अरे हाँ बच्चों, everybody. Fine. In that case, ouch. What is the value of perquisite? Fair market value? अरे हाँ या ना? and exempt up to rupees 1000 per month per child. Dependent brother means what? First of all, he's a brother. That is not a problem. I mean, that much I hope you understood. Dependent means B is not working. Okay, the brother is not working. He's a younger brother or whatever, unemployed brother or handicapped brother or any other type. His own, I mean, he's dependent on Z for his own income and survival. That is called as dependent. Okay. So let's write down. Point number 3. First, under that first, A, that is what? Daughter of Z. Employee. And hi Anna. What will be the perquisite? Is daughter allowed or not allowed? Allowed, है ना? So cost of education in similar institute minus, will it reduce or no? Rupees 1000 per month per child. Yes, still all of you. So cost is how much? Fair market value, huh, bachcho? Not whatever is charged from him. I'm talking of fair market value. अरे हाँ, tell me. $5,500. Okay. Minus 1000 is rupees 4,500 into 12 months. And for the entire year we are calculating. And whatever this figure comes to, tell me. 9,000 will add, no? 54,000. Yes, tell you. Less what? What should we reduce? Is it free? Is it completely free? No. Less recovered from employee, na? Arey haan. How much? Rupees 800 into 12 months. Correct, liya? 9,600, no? Correct, no? Therefore, taxable perquisite. $50, 45, no? 44,400. Yes, still here? Fine. And B, the dependent brother of Z. Dependent brother of employee. What will be the perquisite? Again, cost of education in similar institute. Will you reduce or no? Now rupees 1,000 per month per child. He's not a child, by the way. And okay, even for others' child we don't allow. Correct, no? Only own self child. So less only what to what? Recovered from employee. That obviously we can reduce, but understood or no, all of you? So this will be what? 6,000 per month minus 1,600. Understood? Into 12 months. $50 to 800. Very good. All of you okay? Nitin, Khushbu, Mansi, all of you okay na? Samjha na? 50 to 800 taxable in the hands of employee. And last part or last case in that, fourth one. Suppose in 3, supra means above mentioned, okay? Suppose in case number 3, we are in case number 4 now, but I think suppose in case number 3, above mentioned, supra. Unique is not if the school is bachcho not owned or maintained by the company. But as per arrangement between the company and the school, family members of employees of the company can have educational facility in the school. 100 seats are reserved for this purpose, for which company annually pays 10 lakh rupees to the school. No separate billing by school to the employees. Okay? Family members of Z are students of the school. Family members of the Z are students of the school. Cost of education is in a similar institute are also given in the same table. Basically, they are just saying all the details are same. You know? All the details are same. The only difference, main difference is what? It is not owned or maintained by the company. It is just there is an arrangement between the school and the company. Will your answer change? That is the question. Will your answer change? Not change, okay? It is same for both. Even if it is owned, maintained by employer, or even if there is arrangement between the employer and school. Write down. No change in amount of taxable perquisite if school is not owned or maintained by employer. Okay? No change in the answer. Finally clear? Question number 41 for homework. Okay, all of you? Alright? So that is it for income tax for today. No new concept you have done, I think. But you have to do, okay, you have to do retrenchment compensation also, you have to cover VRS, you have to cover, and some arrears cases also we have to cover. Alright, everybody? So please revise, okay? So that is it for today for everybody, okay? For income tax, okay? All of you?
Recording stopped.
We'll start what? Law? 20 minutes? 11:50 will start? Chalega? Take 20 minutes break, we'll start with law. Okay? 11:50 we'll start with law. Bye bye.
सर
बोलो.
सर वो जो इंटरेस्ट जो अकोमोडेट होता है जैसे हम जो पीएफ फंड्स में पैसे डाल